So the biggest mistakes a lot of intermediate guitar players make is this, and I'm going to show you guys two different things here, and it's going to be the same exact licks. Watch this. That's one. Now I'm going to show you the differentiation on the second one. Now, if you've noticed the difference, do me a solid and comment in the section below, because I want to know how far you guys know. But I'm going to explain this to you guys because this is very important, and this is something that I don't see on YouTube at all, anybody talk about this. And I'm going to talk about accents for a little bit. And I'm not trying to be racist, obviously, but if we notice accents around the world, like the Indian accent, the British accent, the French accent, even if I don't speak the words, if I go you know that's French, because what's going on there is going ba-ba-bum, 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 right? That is music happening to your ears, ladies and gentlemen. So what happened here in my selection of two different things, playing the same stuff essentially, is I have accented something, and I'm going to show you guys how I did this. So here's your pentatonic scale. You usually practice this like this. You go, right? What I want you to do is I want you to hit that first note very hard, and then two other notes softly, and then continue doing that. And this is how that's going to go. It's going to go like this. Now, what's happening there now is I'm going ba 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 ba. And when you hear these amazing solos that you like, it's not the licks that you like. If you really, really dive deep into it, what you really like is this. What am I doing? Can you notice that? Can you notice that? If you do notice that, do me a solid and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we do push out amazing content. Now, here's the thing. How do you practice that? And is that the only one that you can do? Obviously not. You can do this, and I'm going to show you a practice that you should do every day to get that rhythm and that intonation and that accent to your guitar. It doesn't have to be every three. It can be every other. You go. See that? I'm doing every, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's so every other note gets. And then you can do every third note and go. So it's not the, so really what we're discovering here, it's not the licks, it's the that you're enjoying hearing over and over again. And you can obviously switch that up to anything that you want. You can also do 4 notes and go. See that? I'm going ba 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 boop boop. So your favorite licks and your favorite guitar players, what they're doing is they're taking licks, and they're not just going. They're going. And what the difference is, they have an accent thing going on. Now, how do we actually do that with or without the pick? What I do myself is, because I don't play with a pick, that very first note I pluck out. So it's not a down strum, which is, that's your regular down strum. Now this is a pluck out strum, which goes, and what happens is the string, which is metal, obviously, hits the fret, which is obviously, again, metal. And when the metal hits metal, you get that sound. So on the 2 and the 3, you don't get that metal sound. You go on the 1. See? So that's what creates that dynamic that people really, really enjoy into your playing. So I would take your guitar, take a step back, forget the licks, forget all the famous guitar players, and you start practicing this kind of stuff with the metronome. And the way you want to do that is just set your metronome as slow as you can and go. So I'm plucking that first, and the second one goes much softer. See? And that is the fundamental of upgrading from intermediate to kind of getting into that advanced territory. Here's another thing I want to talk about. Well, how do you do it with bends? When that string snaps on that metal, can you bend it? Answer is yes. Okay, so when you get it, see? That so it's not this. I'm not doing this. I'm going, right? So the nuggets of golds are in here, and take as much as you can because I'm giving it away for free. And anyway, so this is going to be it for this specific video. I hope you enjoy it. Practice this, really drill it to get good. And if you enjoy my channel, do me a solid and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. More cool stuff coming. I'll see you guys next time.